Here at MotoSport.com, we have all sorts of brands and styles of grip tape to fit your ride. From brands like Decor and Factory Effects, where you can custom cut and fit to whatever you want, to brands like Nihilo that are already pre-cut to fit your frame and plastic. Check them out. These brands all have different textures, and you might prefer one over another. To me, this Decor material feels a bit more like sandpaper, where the Nihilo feels more like a textured rubber. Since this is an affordable accessory, it makes sense to do some testing and see what works best for you. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this new grip tape can keep you from sliding right off the back of the bike. Follow us on social at MotoSport Inc. Subscribe to the YouTube. We'll be having more to come. Thanks for watching.